Imagine you're the scientist who discovers a killer asteroid hurtling towards Earth. At least you get to name it, right? Like a big-budget disaster flick come to life, this actually happened in 2004, when astronomers at the Kitt Peak Observatory realized a massive space rock might smash into us in 2029, on a Friday the 13th no less. The asteroid, named Apophis, is 3 football fields wide, and could enter our atmosphere with 750 megatons of kinetic energy, according to the Century Risk Table. That's 13 times more powerful than the largest hydrogen bomb ever detonated. A collision at that scale could cause a minor mass extinction, the likes of which decimated the dinos. No need to panic though. NASA says a 2029 collision is ruled out, but it'll be one close shave, with Apophis passing 220,000 miles closer than the moon is to Earth. In fact, Earth's gravity will alter its orbit when it flies by, such that it could collide with us on a future visit in 2068. This is just one of many possible cataclysms covered in the new book Earth-Shattering: Violent Supernovas, Galactic Explosions, Biological Mayhem, Nuclear Meltdowns, and Other Hazards to Life in Our Universe, which aims to knock humanity down a peg or two on the grand cosmic scale. Inside, astronomer Bob Berman breaks down the science behind the universe's biggest explosions, in space, on Earth, and what may be coming, from the Big Bang to Chernobyl and everything in between.